So usually at evening, I prefer to go walking for some plane spotting. I always love spotting planes, you know, and just minding the fact that I'm staying around the airport area, I could easily see them, and that's why I always video them anytime they're landing. So can you see that sunset? So make sure you stick with me throughout this journey. Apart from my normal aviation content, I'm going to be providing a whole lot of content about living my life as an avionics student, as well as plane spotting activities and sometimes aviation puzzles.